Hey guys, welcome to another Spigot plugin tutorial, and today it's on free-for-all with kits. So this is a really cool plugin where players can battle each other using various different kits, and this plugin is very cool. It uses lots of GUIs, which I really like, and it's got lots of features. So the main command is FFA, and first of all we're going to set the lobby. So I'm going to just set it here, FFA set lobby, like so. And now we're going to want to create an arena, so let's do that now. So FFA arena, call it YouTube, followed by create. Now that we've done that, we need to add an in-game location. So in-game location, which is a very long command unfortunately, but the developer will hopefully make that a bit shorter in a new update. So now that we've set the in-game locations, we can actually look at the information about the arena that we've created. So it is enabled. That's the display name, and there's up to 1,000 players. So you could edit this in the config. So what we're going to do now is FFA kit create after we've named it. So this is going to be called brute. We're going to create it. Now we need to actually set the inventory, so let me just get rid of this like that, and now we can do set inventory like so, and that has set the inventory. So if we do FFA reload, this kit will be in use. So if I clear my inventory and go into game mode 0, so I'm about to join the lobby, which Lincoln Park is already in. So if we do FFA join, a nice message will pop up. That's really cool. We have our scoreboard, so I accidentally stopped recording and killed Lincoln Park 3 times. So let's go through what we get. So we have player settings. This is pretty cool. So you can turn off the sound in the menu, which does make a lot of noise, so I turned it off. You can turn off particles, you can set your language to English or German. Hopefully Dutch will be there as well soon, because a lot of people who play Minecraft are Dutch, so that would be useful. Although a lot of Dutch people speak English, which is amazing, so they should be fine. You can disable and enable chat, the scoreboard, and auto join, which is pretty cool. Here is the information. So I've got 0 points, 3 kills, 0 deaths, and 0 money. So in the config you can obviously change how much money and points people get per kill. It's disabled by default, so I changed that. So we're going to select the brute class. Lincoln Park is going to select the archer class, which I made, and we are going to join the YouTube arena. So here we go. Nice message. We have the leave button, and as you can probably tell, I've still got a cold by my voice. So archer, that wasn't very nice. Let's sort him out. So it's got a really cool 10-second log out period, so people can't combat log, which is fantastic. And there we go. I've added the points after I did FFA reload, which reloads the config file if you do any edits to it. And we can actually log out now. So we're going to kill him once more, like that. And we also got money, because I also changed that, which is really cool. So here we go. Come on, off you go. There we go. So if we leave now, after 8 seconds, we will see that we now have points and money, which is really cool. There we go. So we've logged out, and if we go into information, we have 5 kills, 20 points, 20 money, and 0 deaths. So that's really cool. So yeah, you can select your kits there, and you can do FFA quit if you can spell it correctly, which I couldn't actually. You can do FFA kit list, and that shows all of them. And we're going to get rid of the kit example. Not sure what that is. Information. And yeah, you can see information about the kits. I'm going to remove it. There we go, it's gone now. And yeah, so there is quite a few config files, so I'm going to go into those now and show you how to change it and whatnot. And yeah, let's hop into the config now. So here we are in my plugins folder, and these are all the files and folders that you get. So if we have a look, we can find the arena that we created, and you can change the max players here. So 5 or something, and enable true false display name, you can change that, which is really cool. And let's go back to all of these configurable kits. So here are the ones that we made. Here are all the slots and things that we set, and you can set start food level and whatnot depending on everything. You can change the cost, which is cool. So you can either make it a monetary system or not, depending on how much each kill costs. So you can configure this a lot, which is cool. And we are going to go to the config, which has a lot of things, and I sound really ill right now, but I shall carry on because this is a really cool plugin. So you can enable and disable commands, which is cool. You can change the points and money, so this is what I was talking about. And you can even remove money and points per death, so that would make it even more dangerous. So maybe less, so maybe like half or something along those lines, so people don't just hide if they've got lots of money. And you can change bits and bobs here. So yeah, that's very straightforward. I believe a lot of these are like just save files, so you probably wouldn't, I don't think it's a virus. You probably wouldn't want to mess around with any of these. You can change the scoreboard, so change the colors and whatnot, so that's pretty cool. I wouldn't mess with X kills X points, just leave that alone, and maybe you could change this to like pounds or something, whatever your currency is. So that's pretty cool. And names, you can change all of this. I'd leave it alone if I were you, but you can customize it if you want. Messages, similar thing. You can change it. You can change the prefix. So instead of changing it all the way down, you can change it once. So instead of FFA, you could change it to free for all, depending on what you wanted. You can change the colors. So it's a really cool plugin. The developer's gone to a lot of effort to create this. I'm surprised it's not a paid plugin, but it's free, so you can download it. And yeah, that is everything in the config. So pretty straightforward. It's setting true, false, numbers, and colors. So yeah, very easy to config. You can download it below, subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in the next video.